drama series. David Benioff, D.B. Weiss, Game of Thrones, The Iron Throne. David Nutter, Game of Thrones, The Last of the Starks. Miguel Sapochnik, Game of Thrones, The Long Night. Dana Reed, The Handmaid's Tale, Holly. Lisa Brulman, Killing Eve, Desperate Times. Jason Bateman, Ozark, Reparations. Adam McKay, Succession, Celebration. From Almost Family, Brittany Snow and Timothy Hutton.
Each of these accomplished directors created something brilliant.
And all are deserving, but we can only give this award to one.
And the Emmy for directing in a drama series goes to Jason Bateman.
First win, seventh nomination for Jason Bateman, who still wears the same size slacks as when he appeared on Little House on the Prairie. A fourth-degree yoga master, he can sleep folded up in a carry-on suitcase.
Wow. Wow. That is something. I'm going to go on something that Julia started with, this chocolate treat here. I can't be holding this without a whole lot of people that make this show I'm so lucky to be a part of work, especially as a director. So I'll maybe just like be this little part here, but the cast and the crew and the writers can have the whole planet. You know, we'll give a wing to Netflix and one to MRC and the whole body for my team, and then Amanda, you and Maple and Franny back home, you are the full base of everything that I do. I love you very, very much. Thank you guys.